I'll be back.
Welcome to Mountain Valley Real Estate, where you get to virtually walk the property with me so you can get a superior boots on the ground feel for the property. Somebody's been eating a lot. It's got to be a squirrel. So as you can see on the map there is a dog coming at us. Hey buddy. So this is the easement to get to the property. As you can see on the map, we're just about to the property if I turn around. And there's a store almost right around the corner. Not too far away there. Happy Valley Market. So this would be the beginning of the property up here. So maybe you're looking for a nice property to build your dream home. One that has water, power, super easy access, and end of the road privacy. Well, this is your ticket, I'd have to say. And if you're new here, welcome. I'm John with Mountain Valley Real Estate. And whoa, there's my buddy Land Squatch looking kind of funky today. He's extra tall for some strange reason. This is 7.88 acres located at the end of Glenbo Lane. Kind of like Crossbow, only not. So Glenbo Lane in Anderson, California, and the price is $119,000. Seller financing is not available on this one, but you can try a Banner Bank in California. They should lend on it. So right here we have water. Got a power box, underground power. Looks like water right there. So let's get rolling. Going this way. See, we'll go over here. Well, if you're looking for just the right spot for your dream home, this could be the answer you were looking for. You have to come check this place out. Incredible acreage that has public water with a meter already installed and perimeter fencing. This parcel is sprinkled with just the right mix of gray pines, or I should say gray pine trees, and open ground. Excellent usable topography that starts to slope off kind of like toward the back end of it, but a lot of it is flat in the beginning, midway in here. This property does give you the good end of the road privacy, and the size of the land adds to that very nicely. The zoning is rural residential and appears to have the potential for up to 3 lots. Check with the county building department for lot split particulars. This is out of the snow at 700 feet elevation, and my cell phone does work here. The property is located just 6 miles from Redding and I-5 there, but you've got many amenities pretty close by, stores, things like that. So right here, this little, I don't know, a junction box, I don't know, not really, but you can see that. Looks like a water valve of some sort. Maybe your main one for your house, because everything seems to be right out here, as in this would be your ideal build spot. You've got privacy around you, can't see anybody. I build right here, nice big flat area. You got Cat 5 in this box right here. You got these popping out of the ground. Wow, that land squatch got some tall legs today too. Crazy. So if you take a look at it from here, that's a lot. It's a huge flat area. And it keeps going. You can kind of see where we are on the map there. We'll go back further. Today we are starting out at Pier 39 near Fisherman's Wharf in San Francisco, California. After we get done eating our clam chowder bowl, we are going to either drive or fly from San Francisco. You can take I-5 up to Anderson, California, near Redding, California, or fly into the Redding, California airport. If you drive, we're going to take Highway 273 off of Interstate 5 in Anderson, California. And we will follow that down until we get to right here. It's always a tricky one for me. This is Highway 273, and this is Canyon Road. We're going to follow that basically south until we get to here. This is Hawthorne. And this is Glenbo. We're going to come down Glenbo all the way here. And you can see some of the stuff we talked about earlier. This looks like the old power box. Anyway, this is the property. There's nothing on it. Let me show you a three-dimensional of it. Lines are obscured because the trees have overgrown on top of the boundary red line because they are very tall. It's a three-dimensional map, so the trees are covering the line. But it's really nice in here. This starts to slope down as you get in about, 3/4, halfway in, depending on this side slopes down sooner than this side, but really nice, really usable, lots of privacy in there. All right, let's get back into it. Let's head this way. The property taxes are just over 1% of the assessed value per year. And I think I said this already, but it's a rural residential type zoning. So home friendly. Lots of little animal trails out here. Let's go see what we can find. See, add tracking, start track. There you go. Now we can see where we've been. Cell phone works. Just got a text message. There's a home off in the distance over there, but it's hard to see. And there's a fence line, I think, over there somewhere. Still really good usable ground. Starts to slope downhill once you get down here a little bit more. Let's go over to the right. See what we got over here. I like the privacy. Wow, it's a what's left of it. Somebody's been digging, looking for some grubs. Was that you, Land Squatch? Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Took off on me again. beautiful out here. There's another good spot right here. Maybe you want a, I don't know, large shed away from your house, or some animals, horses. Oh yeah, let's go over here. Looking nice. You getting toward that edge? Yeah. This is kind of gently sloping in this direction, but just a tiny bit. Lots of firewood here. Got a fence line right over there, which makes sense according to the old mapper. Oh, you're up high here. You got some views looking down. This is just a gentle walk downhill here. I'm not even out of breath yet. There's the mask. Let's go to the back of the property so you can see what it looks like back there. It's like a forest in here. Definitely got that country setting going on for sure. But I like that. You're kind of feeling in the country, being in the country, but you're close to all the amenities. Here's the fence too. Looks like we're in the right spot. I hear all kinds of animals. I hear pigs. And I hear goats. Somebody's got a good farm going on right over there. Cool. Fence line goes up this way. That's a cool piece. Oh, got roosters. Just heard one go. So if you're looking for a property that's pretty good sized, with a great country feel to it, a lot of good usability, and has all the utilities there, this one is definitely up for serious consideration. Might want to check it out. If you like this property, it's always that one right there, or that one over there. Not that one right there, that's the land squatch. Clicking on him won't do anything. He's immune to clickage. Just so you know. Alright, I'll see you on the next video. Take care now. Bye-bye then.